Now next gland is parathyroid gland. This gland is present near the thyroid gland in the neck region, and the hormone produced by this gland is parathormone. The function of this hormone is to control calcium balance in the body. Next is adrenal gland. It is located above the kidneys. Hormone produced by this gland is adrenaline, and this hormone is called hormone of emergency because this hormone prepares our body during emergency situation. Suppose you are running, and in that case you need more energy, and some other conditions like when you frighten or you are angry, you're showing anger, and during these conditions our body need more energy. That time adrenaline hormone prepare our body to cope up with these situations. This hormone increases our heartbeat, circulation of blood, and breathing process increases, due to which the more amount of oxygen enters the body and more energy is then released. So this hormone prepares our body for the emergency situations. Next is pancreas. Pancreas are located in the abdomen below the stomach. Hormone released by this gland is insulin. This hormone controls glucose level of the blood, and disease caused due to deficiency of this insulin hormone is diabetes. So it is advised by the doctors to give injections of insulin to that diabetic patients. Next is testes. These are located in the scrotum. We studied in the reproduction chapter. In males, the hormone produced by them are testosterone. Its function is formation of sperms and control the secondary sexual characteristics in males. Last is ovaries. They are located in the lower abdomen in females. Hormones produced by them are estrogen and progesterone, and their function is the formation of ova or eggs, it controls the secondary sexual characters in females. Our next topic is pituitary gland and hypothalamus. There is connection between pituitary gland and hypothalamus. Pituitary gland secretes many hormones which further regulate the secretion of other glands. So pituitary gland is called master gland, I told you earlier. But the hypothalamus, which is located in the brain, controls the secretion of pituitary gland. That is why hypothalamus is called master of master glands. Master of master gland, that is pituitary gland, master of pituitary gland. Okay, how it controls the secretion from pituitary? Actually, hypothalamus secretes two types of hormones: releasing hormones and inhibitory hormones. Releasing hormones stimulate the pituitary gland, the regions of pituitary gland, to release the particular hormones, and inhibitory hormones inhibit the same part, the same region, to stop the secretion of that particular hormone. In this way, releasing hormones and inhibitory hormones control the secretion from pituitary gland. Feedback mechanism. The excess or deficiency both of the hormones has a harmful effect on our body. If the hormones are secreted in more amount or if they are secreted in less amount, both have adverse effect on our body. So there is an inbuilt mechanism in our body which makes sure that hormones should be secreted in precise quantity, means in the required quantity, and at the right time when they are required. This inbuilt mechanism which regulate the secretion of hormones is called feedback mechanism of hormonal control. For example, The mechanism to control sugar level in the body. This is the flow chart showing the feedback mechanism to control sugar level in the blood. When the level of sugar increases in blood, it is detected by the cells of pancreas, and pancreas start the synthesis of insulin. This insulin lowers the blood sugar level. When this blood sugar level falls, then this feedback mechanism is switched off. Means it is again detected by the pancreas and the secretion of the insulin is stopped. Students, if blood sugar level rises, then synthesis of insulin will take place. If blood sugar level falls, then the synthesis of insulin will stop itself. That is the function of this feedback mechanism. Now our last topic is differences between nervous and endocrine system. Students, there are two parts of control and coordination in human beings, that is nervous system and endocrine system. How these two parts differ from each other? There are many differences. First is, the nervous system sends signals in the form of electrical impulses, and endocrine system sends signals in the form of chemical messengers called hormones. The transmission in nervous system takes place via neurons, but in the endocrine system transmission takes place through blood. The speed of transmission in nervous system is fast and the speed of transmission in endocrine system is slow. The effect of this nervous system is very short-lived, and the effect by the chemical messengers it may be short-lived or long-lived. The actions produced by nervous system may be voluntary or involuntary, but the actions created by this endocrine system is always involuntary. The target place where the electrical impulses are sent are localized. Only those regions which are connected with the neuron are the target places, but endocrine system can send messages to the distant places as well. The target is distant, oftenly distant. ज़्यादातर distant places पर ही messages sent होते हैं through this endocrine system, because hormones never show its effect where they are produced. They show their effect always to some other places. So this is all about the nervous system and endocrine system.